Party has come in. You all just met. What was the interaction? How do you feel the enthusiasm in your party?
Basically, I think the purpose of his visiting Goa is to get a feel of Goa, and that is why he's met the core country. He's meeting the MLAs, ministers, and I guess he is a seasoned politician who will be able to judge and assess the situation in Goa.
Earlier in the morning, he had attended the BJP party headquarters. Where your party leaders and everybody said he has spoken about the enthusiasm of 2027 assembly elections. So how are you all gearing up for that?
See, I have left Mumbai.
Yeah.
So I have not heard him speak. So I really do not know what is his assessment of what is happening.
So, but how do you feel that as far as the party is concerned, whether it is municipality elections?
I think the party is ready. July elections have shown the strength of the party. So what more do you want the party to do?
The party is ready for assembly also.
100%.
So will you be contesting in 2027 also?
2027 is a long way.
Nothing is,
Not yet decided
in today's world, nothing is long, sir. It's very close.
According to my friend.
Not decided yet.
No, I have not decided. I should decide. But God forbid.
No, should
That's
be.
why, see, it's all subjective.
तुम्ही रिटायर्ड जाता म्हणून पॉलिटिशियन रूमरही चाललो
rumor चाललो की हांव मत म्हणून हें आयकून आतां हॉस्पिटल आसतना मागीर आनी थोडे म्हणून लागले कित्याक that I am on ventilator, which I never was. So if you want to believe rumors,
But
you believe.
just one clarification. You said I would be contesting.
I said I would.
So you'll be contesting.
That's what I said when I said I would.
Ah.
I think English language means I am.
Come, sir.
Thank you.